Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom. So I wash my hair, deep condition it, and I let it air dry. This morning it is about, I'm looking at my wrist like it's o'clock. It's like 3 o'clock on a Tuesday. And this Tuesday is my Monday for work. So this is the day I usually get ready, do all the rest of the laundry that I didn't get finished from my weekend, and get my life together. I went and got my nails done yesterday. I did my eyelashes this morning. See if I can give y'all a good. The link is posted below on how and why I started doing my own mink lashes, which is cool because I save money now, which is dope. Now I'm going to do my hair. Now I thought about flat ironing because I've been wearing my own hair lately, a lot lately. I had some natural shea butter that I'm going to use because I chose to put on one of the units that I made. So because I'm putting on one of the units that I made, I am going to put shea butter throughout my whole entire hair strand because I'm doing a protective style. So let me just go ahead and put some on this side too, because I'll be corn rolling this side as well. So because this is a protective style that I am having in my hair, you always want to make sure your hair is fully moisturized because I'm tucking it away for about a week. Nonetheless, this will be in for at least a week. So I'm just corn rolling my hair here so that I can tuck it away. I don't know about y'all, but this is gonna be a little breeze, it seems like, because I ain't part of that big. I love my children, but they can be like real pain in the butts. Sheesh. Like pain in the butts. Nah, I ain't about to do that, sis. That needs some more hair. Here comes one of the little pain in the butts. I hear her. See? Yes, Miss Azaya. You really want what? Some of your chocolate?
No, that fabric candy.
Go ahead, you can have it. The Rice Krispie treat?
Huh?
The Rice Krispie treat?
Uh-huh.
Yes, you can have it, Zaya. She really wants some of the candy thing. When God blessed me with that third little baby, Azaya, Joy Marie, +3, listen. Okay, looks like I got like one more breed left. So real quick, ladies, let's talk about breastfeeding. I know that the world has sexualized breastfeeding, and in my previous video, I mentioned the importance of breastfeeding. But the fact that breastfeeding is legal in all 50 states, you can nurse wherever you please, whether you're at the beach, whether you're taking your kids to see Mickey and Minnie on ice, whether you're in the mall, whether you're about to run a 5K marathon. Sis, nurse your child. Next step. Unit. Per usual, the job is never done. So I had to come in the kitchen and take a look at what my son fried up. I'm going to give him the credit because he fried the kale and ground chicken for what we're having for dinner tonight. This is the start of my Alfredo sauce that we'll be having for dinner along with the kale and ground chicken. This looks so delicious, don't it? Okay, so I found the unit I want to wear, and then look who's reaching for her mommy. So that means somebody wants some yum yum. Yum yum time. Yum yum time. Yum yum time. Alright, so these cornrows is ready for its foundation. Ouch, but this little one wants to nurse, of course. She always try to expose my nipple, like to be nosy and do this, what she doing right now. She wants to look and she wants to talk. So y'all see that right there behind y'all? I found the unit I'm going to wear. And she's talking. Right. So what are you saying? You love him? Alright. So go ahead and finish nursing. She gonna finish nursing while I finish talking. Whoa, whoa. She always joking me up. It's already washed. And I just let it air dry. So when it air dry, this is its natural state. So I don't know if I want to straighten it out and wear it. My little bob with a bang, but it needs my little TLC to it. So I'm going to bring it back. Look at her looking again. Nosy, nosy, nosy. And give it some TLC because this is what I will be rocking for the week. I'm going to be cuter because I'm already cute, confident, courageous. And did I mention cute? And she's back. Ow! And she bit me. And look at me grabbing the back of her head like this, and she think it's funny with her tongue licking out. Why would you bite your mommy? Now was that nice? It says try serving with chicken broth and veggies for delicious hearty soup. I might try that one day, but actually I'm just going to use this with my Alfredo sauce that I'm making with my ground chicken and kale. So boom, back to Talijah biting my nipple. This has just started. She has 5 teeth in her mouth. This is my 3rd child I breastfed. So I'm going to have to create a plan of action. And the only plan of action to that is pumping more so that she can get the bottle, because I'm not about to be sabotaged and abused by no 1-year-old. It goes, looks so delicious. It's real life. This breastfeeding is a natural thing. So the fact that she is doing this biting stuff now, it's only right for me to adapt with the changes and teach her. Just like, when your child was like, when a baby is first born, their instinct is to suckle and drink from the breast. Like, they naturally go towards their mother breast when a baby is born and the skin is skin. Like, their mouth goes towards the breast to suckle. And believe it or not, when your baby nurses and suckle, your body releases 2 hormones called prolactin and oxytocin, which the prolactin controls the milk production and the oxytocin controls the release or the letdown of the milk through the milk ducts. So a proper latch is always important, and Talijah has the latch down pat. It's just that she's learning to adjust with these teeth in her mouth, and her let go on my nipple has been biting it, and I'm not beat. But another thing that's essential when breastfeeding is to talk to your child, and I talk to her. So the fact that I talk to her, we're able to learn together that that's a no-no. I will take the nipple from you. So I'm putting all of these actions in place for her so that she can stop. Also, the fact that she does drink water, even though I'm nursing her, it is very important for us to keep our intake of water up. No matter if you're nursing or not, you should just drink lots of water. But I didn't never mention how important it is to drink water when nursing. Also, she's still a baby, so I still cradle and hold her. And that's important too. Which brings me to mention there are 4 basic nursing positions. After workflow. Mommy home?
Mm-hmm. Mommy home.
Hi there, mommy, baby. Want some yum yum? Are you saying hi? You want your yum yum? Okay. You just, oh. Don't bite me because you did it already. Gotta remind her not to bite me. Yeah, you. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Good morning. Had a long night at work. And I'm so happy to be home with you. So happy to be home with you. Hey, girl. Hey. Hi. I'm cute or whatever. So my next videos are going to be about Talijah going through the phases of biting. When she releases now, she bites. When she's done, it's like she just clenched down. So we're going to work on that. Because like I said, I've been there, I've done it, and that won't discourage me. However, I will start pumping more, and she's going to get the bottle. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do away with my titty real soon because it's not a good feeling of being big. So she may wave me off and think I'm lying or playing because she just probably don't believe me. But you're going to start drinking out the bottle more, okay? 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 Don't bite me. Did you just bite me? She's biting right now. TJ, no biting. No biting. No bite. Brush your hair. So listen, where's your bottle? Where's your bottle? You get your bottle, okay? No yum yum, you get bottle. Oh, thank you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You want yum yum? You gonna bite mommy? You gonna bite mommy? Don't bite mommy. You can have yum yum. Just don't bite me, okay?
What's my same life story? My truck is my life. So when my windshield cracked, the experts at Safe Flight Auto.
Ah, she bit me. Let it go, and she think it's funny. That's it. Talijah's not getting no more yum yum today. No more yum yum today. No more. No more. Bottle only. Bottle only.